Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get the Spotify application on your PlayStation 5 and listen to music while you game. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So on the home screen of the PlayStation 5, at the top you'll have two options. You'll have games, and then you'll have media. If you select the media option, you'll be able to see all your applications on here, as well as like YouTube, Twitch, and Spotify will show up here as well. So when you download the application, this is how you will be able to go ahead and select it, and then you can go to the app library and then find your installed applications here. So how would we go ahead and get the Spotify application and download it? Well, just right at the top, there is a search button right here. Let's select that, and this option will appear. Let's type in the search, or if you go over to the voice icon right here, you got your microphone included. Go ahead and select this and just talk into your microphone, and then say Spotify. And the Spotify application should show up. So here's Spotify. Let's go ahead and download this and get it on our PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and start up the application now and press start. So this is the Spotify application. Now my account's already linked, so if you do not have your account linked, go down to account and make sure this is linked. I can see I have the sign out option right here, so I'm good to go. So this is pretty basic for the TV version. I'll have my daily mixes, my afternoon delights, and all my other promoted content on the home screen here. Then you'll have the search icon right here. You can go ahead and search through your different genre and moods. So let's go to gaming, for example. Here are all my gaming playlists and podcasts, original soundtracks. I would actually like to go ahead and listen to Cyberpunk at some point in time. This seems pretty cool. Let's go ahead and favorite it. So I'll be able to come back to it at some point. Cool. Now let's go back up and go to my library under here. And here's all my like songs. 303 is awesome. I love them. Imagine Dragons. Then here's my albums. Cyberpunk I just liked. And then go down here to Blake Shelton, Eric Church. I can see all my favorite artists. And here's Ween. Now let's go to the home screen and go to games and start up Horizon Zero Dawn and listen to music when I'm playing. So this is very easy to do. Press the PlayStation button now. Then right here is music. Let's select music, and here's Spotify. So it's going to give us some featured content, and on the PlayStation 4 actually recommended music similar to the game you're playing. So on here it's giving me gaming music, top 2021 gaming tracks, etc. Spotify recommended, top gaming tracks. And here's my music. If I go a little bit further down, I have 303, Kenny Chesney, Imagine Dragons. So let's play a song. Let's go to top gaming tracks, 60 songs. Legends Never Die, that's a good one. So let's press X on that one and press square, and it's going to start playing. So we have some options on here, like a volume option if we want to increase the sound or not. Then we have the ability to skip, pause, or skip ahead. Then we can save the song, shuffle, or repeat. Then we can quickly pick a different song from here as well. So as soon as I back out of this, the song will keep playing, and I can start playing my game now. I can run around and listen to music. Also, if I go to the PlayStation screen here, I can go over to sound, and then the media volume will display right here, and also the video volume. So it's very easy to get Spotify on your PlayStation 5. Just go ahead and go to the search icon and get the application. If this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.